So to delete your Instagram account, just go to your profile, click here, click on setting and privacy, then click on account center. Now go to personal details. Now click on account ownership and control. After that, click on deactivation or deletion. Now choose your username. Now click on delete account. Click on continue. You can choose anything here you want. For me, I will choose something else. Click on continue. Now you have to enter your password, of course. Then click on continue. Click on delete account. That's it. Your account has been deleted. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.